I do talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. Now, if this is your first time, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Well, today's video is all about revealing and unboxing, whatever you want to say, the Delta box for the month of October. Now, I did get my Delta box a little late. I'm so used to getting it on the 21st or the 22nd, but that's okay. It came on yesterday, and I wanted to go ahead and hurry up and reveal to you what's in it. I was very excited when that notification came that your Delta box is being shipped, just like a little child at Christmas, or when mom and dad is going to take you to get some ice cream. You be like, I'm gonna get some ice cream. Well, I was saying, I'm gonna get my Delta box. Well, enough of all of that. But let me go ahead and show you this jacket, you guys. Now, this was not in a Delta box, but I was getting all of my Delta things and getting everything out for the fall and winter, because now it is getting cool, kind of cold here in Memphis. And so this was my jacket from 1992. Yes, this jacket is over 25 years old. And everything has changed. The Greek letters are still the same. And then if you look on the back, you will see that that is my line number as well as my line name. Yes, so we were the 32 flavors at Lamorno College. But again, yes, the good part about this is girlfriend still got her jacket so Ross, and this girl can still wear it. It is still looking good. That's just how much I love my sisterhood. So let's get going with the Delta reveal for the month of October. Okay, so Russell, let's get going. Here is the box. I took it out the shipping box, but this is how the box looks. I've shown this to you guys a lot. Remember, you and I is looking at this together at the same time, so I'm kind of like excited. You know, like you be at Christmas and you don't know what day you'll get back, or you know, up under the tree. But that's how I'm feeling right now. But this is the inside of the box. Okay, this is how it looks. Always wrapped so perfectly. So put this down for a moment. I'm not gonna rip it because it's wrapped so pretty. And I don't know, I'm always hitting my glasses, but I can't really read it. So, you know, of course, it's talking about fall. Bring in the harvest. And the part that I cannot read is this little small writing. So I'm going to have to get my glasses on this, but this is it. And I always keep cards. Most of my cards are very sentimental to me because of the wording and the prayer. The encouragements that they have on there. If you guys are not getting this Delta box, what are you waiting on? $49.95. That is what I paid, and it's just I just don't know what else to tell you. It's something I do look forward to, you know, every month. So get it, girls. Okay. All right. So of course it has the if you want to exchange it, if we, you know, get a little weight, etc. But anywho, all right, so it can't, wait a minute, it's only one thing in here. So most likely when there's only one thing in here, it's most likely a jacket. And I just love the jacket. So let's see. That could be a jogging suit. Fall jogging suit. Well, anyway, let's see. I'm trying to think about what it is, girl. It's a two-piece. My gosh. Look at the side. It says Delta Sigma Theta on the side. Wait a minute. Is this an open thing? You guys, it's a split. So, this is how it looks. When I tell you that this is none other than so sexy, that I had to put this on to show you how great this looks. And I tell you, this is so great because of the pants. It's like a tummy tuck. It can help you control what you don't want to be seen. So when I tell you, and then it just moves with you. You see how it moves? This is just too cute. Oh, and then I paired it with some black booties. Just say combat boots. Or, you know, I can top it off and put my hat on. Oh, girl. Oh, my red purse. Ooh. Hey. So this is in the Delta box. Soraj, you did your thing this month. Well, let me know what you think, because I think that this is just too sexy. I tell you, that is a jogging suit. And when I tell you, I'm just so excited. I love this already. I am. No, you guys, I know I told you in the last video that I was waiting on a unit from IKEA to get here, so I can make a unit strictly for my Delta clothing, everything related to Delta, and it came. I was able to put it together. Now, some of the pieces from IKEA is not available because they're sold out, not in stock. But what I was able to get, I was able to go ahead and put something together until all of my pieces do come shipped to me. So I am going to take you guys with me to that unit where you see all of my Delta things that I got from the Delta box, as well as my pearls, and etc. So come with me, and I'm going to show you what I got. So this is something that I work somewhat hard for. And I'm just so excited for it. So I'm going to flip this around so you guys can see exactly what I have here so far. And I want you guys to let me know what you think, what I should put there, what I should not put there, how should I change it. Your input will be so precious to me. So let me flip this over, and I'm going to show you what I've did so far. All right, so guys, this is what I've done. So if you look all the way at the top, there are some of my hats. There are other hats that did come in the Delta box. Right here is a hanging where I have some of my, like this vest was from this year, my sweaters, my 1992 when I pledged sweater from our anniversary, some more Delta items, the raincoat, a jacket, a lot of jackets, and then right here is a little elephant that houses all of my pens, etc. in here. So I'm kind of like hiding that on the side. There's nothing on this side. So if I open this up, you guys, you will see that I have some of my pearls. They are in here. This came in a Delta box, which is the earring. Of course, my little knickknacks. And I also have my pen. I need to put that someone very, very special, but no one comes in here, so I think that'd be safe. Now, the next shelf, I have some red shoes, red purse. And this houses the gloves, the scarves, etc. Right here is my blankies and my pillar. They all came in the Delta box. And also at the bottom, I have a purse and some Delta bags. For traveling, I have my laptop bag. All of that came in the Delta box. So I did tell you on the last video that I will show you this. And this is what I have so far. Well, Soras and Divas and Darlings, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I do try my best to upload videos once a week, every Sunday. And then also follow me on Instagram, as well as follow my blog. I do try my best to put something out at least once a week. Now, you know what I'm going to say. You are loved. You're loved by me, but most of all, you're loved by God. And I want you to stay safe, stay loved, and stay beautiful. Until the next video, bye-bye.